Okay guys, let's see how to use a Echo Show 8 as a Bluetooth speaker. In this case I'm using for an Android, so it's pretty simple. You just need to come here and go to the settings, and just right here just look for device options, and here Bluetooth, add a device. Okay, and you're gonna see a list of Bluetooth devices here, so you just need to come to your phone, and here on Bluetooth you see the Echo Show 8. You can just tap here to pair, or do the opposite. You can just wait for it to show up here as well. Okay, either way is gonna work, right? So let's just do this, just connect from here and just confirm. So here this chime, basically it's connected now, and I can just come here and play some music. Now
playing from Galaxy S8 Plus.
Okay, as you can see, it's playing from the phone right now. So I can control from here the volume. I can even pause or play. It's basically working, okay? Either way, I can control different devices. Okay, I hope this helps. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next video.